All right, everyone, totally buenos dias to another traveling Costa Rica video. Today, we're in Puntarenas province at, I don't really know the name of this beach, how to pronounce it, Biesanz Beach. This video is by request. Just got a comment come in asking if I can film this in the hills around Manuel Antonio. So we're in the area of Manuel Antonio. In fact, Quepos is right over there, right over there. I'll zoom in on that real quick there so we can get our bearings. Now, before we begin this walking, talking tour, let's talk about how to get here.
So we'll turn off the main highway that heads north-south through Puntarenas province and turn into Quepos in your rental car or Winnebago. You're then going to go through the winding roads between Quepos and Manuel Antonio, but cut short and go up this road where you'll walk. You'll do this hike all the way to the beach.
All right, and that will bring you right to this beach right here, Playa Biesanz, I think is what it's called. Why it's called that, I don't know. It doesn't seem very Spanish, but that's what it says on the map. So a lot of people here, actually. We're here on a Sunday, so presuming it's a lot busier. Very hot out. Calm beach, calm beach. Now, guys, I'm wearing my hiking shoes, so I'm not going to jump in the water. I've been riding the moto. In fact, we're going to go get up on the moto. We're going to drive, actually. We'll do a driving talking tour or something like that. Man, it's hot out. It's sunny. So evidently there's kayaks here on the beach. There's chairs you can rent, stuff like that, looks like. I see jet skis off in the distance. Now, we just did a video over there at Park Naomi, I think. It's right there. I think that's the marina too, the Quepos Marina. So we actually just did a video over there. Leave me a comment and I can give you the link for that, guys. So very busy, very cool beach. On the way in here, I saw howler monkeys up in these trees right here. And when I was coming through Quepos, through Manuel Antonio, in fact, I had to stop and get my tobacco fix. And I saw one of the white-faced monkeys just hanging out. That was pretty cool. What's going on? We got people in tents over here. Let's get one more shot of the beach. There you go. Nice beach. Very calm water. Chill. Very chill. Lots of shade. And I've heard more howler monkeys. Now here's the trail. Here's the trail heading into the beach. And there's like vendors here too with coconuts, looks like. I saw a sign here for bathrooms and showers up there. I'm gonna skip ahead here. I'm a fast walker. I'm a fast walker, guys. Guys, if this is your first time joining, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Turn on the bell notification so you get notified when we upload new videos while we're traveling here in Costa Rica. Leave me a comment as always. Leave me a comment. You can request locations if I find it on the way of my travels. I'll definitely film it. And if it's out of the way, I'll try to make a trip out of it. Are we there yet? Oh. All right, guys, now here's the entrance you're going to look for if you decide to come here. If you should decide. There's a little gap in the fence. I walked right by it and I missed it. There we go. So this is the road towards, if you go up to the end of this road and turn left, you'll be in Quepos. And if you turn right, you'll go to Manuel Antonio. This road just continues on to a resort. And in fact, there's a lot of resorts along here. So let's get on the moto once I get some water, yeah? And then we'll continue on. All right, and away we go. Away we go. So guys, this is the parking area where there are watchy men sitting here watching your cars. These guys, they think they charge $4, they said, to watch your car and park you and stuff like that. You can decide if that's worth it. Here's the entrance right here. Let's start hitting the winding roads here. Pretty tight in some of these spots. Now there's a bunch of resorts around here we'll take a look at. There's a nice one right here, really nice. This is they can get a little cramped in these roads here. There's that resort. What's that one called? I don't know what it's called, guys. There's a nice view of the towards Quepos. Some more resorts. And we're stopped. Well, there's a cool view of Manuel Antonio right there. Let's see if we can get a look at that. There you go. So there's Manuel Antonio Beach right over there. That's where we're going. That's the goal. That's the destination. Now, there's some more resorts over here. It looks like there's a nice big one there. I had never been down this road. I've been to Manuel Antonio a couple times, but I never came down this road. It's way more built up than I would have anticipated if I just saw it on the map, you know. What's this right here? Vista Bistro, coffee and wine. Okay. There's a cool looking building right there. Look at that. Oh, I wonder what that is. Looks like a resort. Look at the ocean there too. Excellent. Some land for sale, looks like. The best rafting right there. Oh, guys, these gloves, I love these gloves. They're mechanics impact gloves. I'll put the link in the description for these gloves. I use these for tactical stuff. I use these for like doing workouts, for mechanic stuff, and for riding. They're my favorite gloves. Get them on Amazon. Here's a nice like old Land Cruiser. So guys, the road here is like paved, but like you can see it's kind of chunky. There's no reason any small car couldn't do this this road. Carambola. And what's going on here? Mariposita. Mariposita. Right there. That lady had some pizza, which looks so delicious. I wonder where she got it. There's a huge condo. Probably right here, if I had to guess. All right, now here's the road, guys. Here's the road. So if we go this way, we're going to Quepos. We'll go this way, though, for today. And what do we got going on? So vacation rentals. We got, well, I think we're going to pass by El Avión, the restaurant that has the airplane kind of thing. It's kind of cool. I don't know what that says. And Jolly or something, I don't know. If you guys know any of these resorts and you've been there, let me know. Looked like there was a zip lining place right there. What's going on here? We got restaurants. Oh, there's a little supermarket there. Fun. Looks like there's some zip lining stuff. Okay, here's El Avión, the restaurant. Oh yeah, with the airplane kind of situation. Let's pull over here for a second and take a look. That's pretty cool. So it's an airplane that is part of the restaurant. Oh, and it's got a great view too. All right. There's a taste of Mexico. And now we're descending. I believe this is the final descent down into Manuel Antonio Beach. There's El Wagon. Looks like they had some wood stoves for pizza or something like that. Oh, Zip Coaster. That's pretty cool. Live music, the Cantina, right there. La Cantina Barbecue right here. Off on the right. Anaconda Cafe, Hotel Arbodela. Arbodela. Sometimes I can't read. This is like multitasking. It's very difficult. Look at the view of the ocean here. This is nice. Oh, there's somebody parasailing. I just saw it. Maybe you guys saw it on the screen too. I don't know. Unfortunately, I can't joint my head back because then I might get an unfortunate rapid velocity into a tree. Like that one. Look at the size of that tree. That's a big tree. Oh, there's an island out there too. I can see. That's dope. There's another sign for the best rafting. That must be, seen that many times. That must truly be the best. Hotel Cartagena by the sea. There's another little commercial area right here. Let's slow down a bit for this, and we'll do a drive-by. Do a little drive-by, see? All right. Igloo Beach Lodge. Oh my God! What the hell? There's igloos. Look at that. There's little igloos. That's like my people. That's what we live in Canada. We live in igloos. Crazy. This road just keeps going on and on. I don't know when are we going to get to the beach? I just want to see the beach. Looks like there's a big thing here. Maybe, yeah, it's like a hotel or something like that. Yeah, Hotel Verde Mar. Okay, now I can see a bunch of cars parked. So I'm going to presume that we're near a beach. Yes, we're near a beach. I actually want to go right to the beach that's near the entrance to Manuel Antonio, though. So there's a little beach right down here, it looks like. I see a sign that says parasailing. That's... Oh, okay, yeah. So you can parasail right off the beach here. All right, now here we are, guys. So this is getting into the entrance of Manuel Antonio. Right here, look at how busy it is. Wow. That's wild. There's no parking right on the beach either, so people must be parking up the street. Supermarket. I just heard music going, so there's restaurants down here. Oh, this must be a parking lot right here. All right, cool. Now the entrance to Manuel Antonio, I've been before. I kind of walked up this way right here to get into Manuel Antonio. And maybe let's just stop right here. All right, there's the chariot. I can't get too far away because I'll lose my bag. I think my bag would walk away. So this is Manuel Antonio right here. The national park is over there. There's some those little green birds. So where are you? Those little green birds up there. Those are cool. I forget what they're called. I literally just looked up the name, but I saw them in Orosi, if you want to see, up by Cartago, the same birds. Now, what's going on over here? So there's some people checking out the lagoon over there, the estuary. Some people playing volleyball. Yeah. That right over there, if you see that that river, that's actually inside Manuel Antonio, I believe. I believe I've walked over there when I went into Manuel Antonio. Now here's the beach. Let's go up here. Let's get a cool viewpoint right up here. You can see people parasailing. Nice sand. And there's like scarlet macaws flying around. Maybe able to hear them. Scarlet macaws to me sound like Imperial TIE fighters. I don't know if anybody's ever thought that. They sound like Imperial TIE fighters patrolling the skies in the jungle. Nice, nice. And I did see the lizard there. We're gonna check that out in a second, but we'll get a view of the beach first. I just keep looking back at my bike. I don't want my bag. It's got all my clothes in it. Okay, so here is the beach. Wow, lots of people on the beach. Lots of people. So it is a Sunday, right? There's the parasailers. They're getting towed, it looks like. Okay, so that's like a tow situation. Tow sailing. What's going on up here? I see some coconuts. Fun, fun, fun. Oh, this iguana is huge. This guy's massive. Let's see if we can get a cool video of him. He's chilling. He's chilling. Nice colors. Big tail. Awesome. Awesome. Let's get a nice picture of that guy. Right there. Boom. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed that video here in Puntarenas province. Manuel Antonio Beach. This is the public area, not the national park. If you guys enjoyed that video, hit subscribe, hit like on YouTube, leave me a comment with your feedback. Request. This video was once again brought to you by request. Happened to be in the direction I was heading anyways. So we can get them in. We can get some videos in. Thanks again for watching, guys. Bye now.